Hi guys, Sam here from Talk Leisure and Exeter, and today we're going to be doing the first episode of our new series, Techy Tip Tuesday, where we're going to be giving you quick tips on how to improve your next adventure. Today we're going to be looking at how you can halve the pack size of your tent. Next week we have the Hilleberg Nano 2, and as you can see, it's a big pack size and also an inconvenient shape. But today we're going to look at how we can store this in a slightly smaller package. To do this, we're going to be removing the poles from the tent and storing them separately, and also popping it in a stuff sack to compress that size down even further. Let's have a quick go. Lovely job. So we've got our tent and our stuff sack ready to go. First thing we're going to do is take the tent out of the original bag. While doing this, we're also going to separate our pegs and our poles. We're going to put these over to one side because we'll come back to those a bit later on. We're going to grab our tent out. Now with the Hillebergs, the inners and the outers are attached, so it's not easy to separate them. However, if you're camping in a pair with another tent, you could potentially separate these and pack this down even smaller. We get our stuff sack ready. And we're just going to start sliding it into the stuff sack slowly. Lovely. So as you can see, we've already shrunk it down to a good size. Now what's great about these seat to stomach compression sacks is once you've got it into that stage, you can flip over the lids. And use the straps located on the sides to compress this down even further, squeezing out all the air. You're going to want to do this in little increments at a time, moving the bag over just so you don't apply too much tension to any one side and damage your bag. But we should be able to get this down to a pretty good size. Lovely job. As you can see, this is now a much better pack size and also a better shape for getting inside your pack. Now, going back to your poles and your pegs, as we said, we're going to store these separately. What we can do is pop our tent in our rucksack and then take our poles and our pegs, grab our rucksack, and these will fit perfectly in your side pockets running down your side straps as well. With the Talon 44 here, just to give us a good idea of fit. And there we have it. Our poles and our pegs are on the outside of our bag, not taking up any room on the inside, and we've shrunk our tent by about half the size. Here's a little side-by-side comparison so you can see how much difference that's made. That was our very first Techy Tip Tuesday. I hope you've enjoyed, and I hope you'll join us again next week. Thank you.